Hello guys, this is Neerav Bhardwaj and along with me I have Kailash Kumar, Manoj Kumar and Nasim Akhtar, and we are having Sentiment Analyzer as our topic. So we'll be discussing it thoroughly one by one. Let's go.
Hello guys, this is the abstract. We are starting from the abstract. Syntematic analysis is also known as opinion, meaning refers to the use of natural language processing. Text analysis to systematic identify, quantify and study affective states and subjective informations. Syntematic analysis is widely applied to review and server response, online and social media and healthcare material for application that range from marketing to customer service to clinical medicine. Symptomatic analysis is widely applied to review and the server response and also for the online and the social media and the healthcare materials. In this project, we aim to perform symptomatic analysis for product-based review. Based used in this project are online product review collected from Amazon.com. We expected to do review level categorization of review data with promising outcome. Let's move to the next slide. We are starting from introduction. Introduction. Sentiment is an attitude, thought, or judgment promoted by feeling. Sentiment analysis, which is also known as opinion, meaning study people sentiment towards center entities from a user perspective. People are able to post their own content through various social media such as forums, microblogs, or online social networking sites. For a research perspective, many social media sites realize that application programming interfaces, prospecting, data collections, and analyzing by research and developer. However, those types of online data have several flaws that potentially hinder the process of systematic analysis. The first flaw is that since people can freely post their own content, the quality of their opinion cannot be graduated. The second flaw is that ground truth of such online data is not always available. A ground truth is more like a tag of a certain opinion indicating whether the opinion is positive, negative, or neutral. Hence, sentiment analysis is a kind of test classification based on sentiment orientations of opinion they contain. Sentiment analysis of product review have recently become very popular in test meaning and competition research.
Hello everyone, this is Manoj Kumar holding USN 1B21CS095. Now we have the review of literature. The most fundamental problems in sentiment analysis is sentiment polarity categorization by the considering of dataset containing over 5.1 million products reviewed from Amazon.com with the products belonging to four categories. A max entropy POS Tagger is used in order to classify the word of sentence. An additional Python program to speed up the process. The negation word like no, not, and more are included in adverbs, whereas negative of adversive and negation of verb and especially used in identify the phases. The following are various classification models which are selected for categorization: Naive Bayesian, Random Forest, Logistic Regression, and Support Vector Machines. Hello everyone, this is Manoj Kumar holding USN 1B21CS095. Now we have the objectives of the project. Scaping products review on a various website featuring various products, specifically Amazon.com, analyzing and category review data, analyze sentiment on data set from the document level, that is review level also, categorization and classification of optimal sentiment into the positive and second one is negative.
System design. Hardware requirements. First one for i5, i7 processor. Second one at least 8 GB RAM. Third one at least 60 GB of unevolved hard disk space. Software requirements. First one Python 3x. Second one encoder distribution. Third one NLTK tool. Fourth one, Unix Linux operating system. Methodology for implementation. Data, which means produce, review, collect from Amazon.com from May 1996 to July 2014. Each review includes the following information. First one, reviewer ID. Second one, product ID. Third one, rating. Fourth one, time of the review. Fifth one, helpfulness. Sixth one, review text. Every rating is based on a 5-star scale, resulting all the rating to be ranged from 1 star to 5 star with no exception of half star or quarter star. Tokenization of review effect removal of stop words, which means nothing nothing released to sentiment is the basic requirement for POS tagging after proper removal of stop words like am, is, are, the but, and so on. The remaining sentence are converted in tokens. These tokens take part in POS tagging. In natural language processing part of speech, POS tagger have been developed to classify word based on their part of speech. For sentiment analysis, a POS tagger is very useful because of the following two reasons. First one, words like nouns and pronouns usually do not contain any sentiment. It is able to filter out such word with the help of a POS tagger. Second one, a POS tagger can also be used to discussing word that can be used in different part of speech. Words such as adjective and verbs are able to convey opposite sentiment with the help of negative prefixes. For instance, consider the following sentence that was found in electronic device review. The built-in speaker also has its uses, but so far nothing revolutionary. The word revolutionary is a positive word according to the list in. However, the phrase nothing revolutionary gives more or less negative feeling. Therefore, it is crucial to identify such phrases. In this work, there are two types of phrases have been identified, namely negation of adjective and negation of verb, NOV.
Let's move on to the conclusion part. So in the conclusion part, we are having sentiment analysis deals with the classification of texts based on the sentiments they contain. This article focuses on a typical sentiment analysis model consisting of 3 core steps, namely data preparation, review analysis, and sentiment classification, and describes representative techniques involved in those steps. Sentiment analysis is an emerging research area in text mining and computational linguistics and has attracted considerable research attention in the past few years. Future research shall explore sophisticated methods for opinion and product feature extraction, as well as new classification models that can address the ordered labels property in rating inference. Applications that utilize results from sentiment analysis is also expected to emerge in the near future. Precision, also called positive predictive value, is the fraction of relevant instances among the retrieved instances, while recall, also known as sensitivity, is the fraction of relevant instances that have been retrieved over the total amount of relevant instances. Both precision and recall are therefore based on an understanding and measure of relevance. Let's move on to the next slide now. The F1 score, also known as the F score or F measure, is a measure of a test's accuracy. It considers both the precision P and the recall R of the test to compute the score. P is the number of current positive results divided by the number of all positive results returned by the classifier, and R is the number of correct positive results divided by the number of all relevant samples. All samples that should have been identified as positive. The F1 score is the harmonic average of the precision and recall, where an F1 score reaches its best value at 1, perfect precision and recall, and worst at 0. Now, there are some of the references we have took for this project. Now, and that was all for this project. Thank you. Thanks for listening. Have a good day. This is Neeraj Bhardwaj signing off.